Welcome all in the technical discussion. So today we are discussing the recent trade actually. Okay, so on 10th March, I recorded one video where I share the strategy, the link in the description if you have to visit and uh, get to know the content actually. The short overview is that I basically bought the call option for the strike price 2200 of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Okay, at around 47 rupees, the premium I paid for that particular option. Okay, call option, and yeah, so that time the stock was trading uh, around 2220 rupees. Okay, somewhat was there. So the strike price which I selected, it was in the money. That is also one more thing which I like to share. And on that video I have given the content that why and what is the approach I was having when I bought the particular stock. Okay, when I bought the particular option call. Okay, so from that, like in that video I was saying that whenever the particular this HUL will cross that particular like 2212 rupees around, that time I will book my loss. Okay, but considering the particular RSI and the volume, okay, so the volume was gradually increasing. So what I feel is that and it like it wasn't breach 3700, the weighted moving average support. So what I did actually, I just hold over there. Okay, I didn't book my loss over there. Basically I was in very good amount of loss. So I will discuss that particular chart as well. Okay, so I bought around 47 rupees around here, and from that the stock retrace and the bear takes the control, and from here the particular stock, the shoot ups. Okay, and I was hoping that it will touch to 2300. So even though it was bullish that time, I still hold it. Okay, so just around 22 March, I booked my profit around 2300 14 rupees. Okay, we can go and see the particular option here as well. Yeah, so when did I bought? I bought around 10th March. Okay, so the price which was around 47 rupees. Okay, here. So I bought over there. So we can see that from 47 it made high up to the 62 rupees. I was still holding. From that it gone up to like 25 rupees. So almost 50% loss I was there. Okay, and from that it jumps back to the, now it's trading to 151 rupees, but I book around 100 rupees somewhere. Okay, so the obviously to summarize that thing actually, and take away from that, guys, it's not a good practice. Okay, basically, like if you're like it's not good. Let me uh, let me let me be more specific. It's not good practice for the beginner. Okay, because I was having my strategy here. If you see the chart, okay, I was continuously understanding the RSI and the particular volume. Okay, so on that gut feeling I was holding it. Okay, around 25 I did average it out. Okay, I bought one more lot, but the thought process was there actually. I was continuously monitoring. So from that I was holding the particular option with loss. Okay, and like it wasn't like blindly I was holding the particular security. Okay, So that is the one thing. If you are really beginner, and if you are currently learning option, I will suggest not to hold up to that much long duration, max 1 or 2 days. Okay, not more than that. I will insist that always book loss in time, always book profit in time. Yeah, so we kind of made very good fortune, like from 40 around the so I bought it around 47, then after I average around 27 rupees, so it was around on an average 30 35 rupees was the kind of average. I don't have exact number. Maybe I can in the couple of next video I can grab the particular data and I can show to you. But on average, on 35 rupees was the average, and we book profit around 117 rupees. So it was really good return. But yeah, definitely it's option. We have to stick with the particular the strategy. Okay, so that's only the deal. And one more thing, like I just wanted to re-highlight and retouch the levels which we are given. Okay, I created one more video on this HUL, where we highlight the particular the level for the stock. Okay, stock buying, not for the option buying, and it was taken exactly and marked from that particular level. The HUL is bullish. Okay, to visit the same, actually we were thinking like book profit around uh 2284, around 2300. Okay, we were suggesting, considering the COVID crisis, we can book the profit, but we also suggested that it's a very good stock. Okay, and we can hold it, like we believe that long term is the particular term where we made very good fortune with this very good stock, like ITC, HUL. They are really great stock actually. When they get cheap, we should accumulate it as much as possible. Okay, because in the upcoming days it will definitely give us very good percentage of return. Okay, guys. So here I'm completing the particular trade discussion which we did earlier HUL. Okay. I did one more trade today on the Reliance. Okay. On that I will create one more video and will share with you. Okay. Basically I do have two accounts, like one Zerodha, one Angel Broking. So the Reliance trade I was done on the Angel Broking, and this HUL trade I did on the Zerodha. Not specific actually. Basically, I both having the kind of particular same brokerage, actually not a much more big deal. I don't any specific to the Zero, both are good actually. But one thing I like about the Zero is that the chart actually. Okay, which I really like compared to the Angel Broking. So that's why I'm kind of committed and stick with Zerodha. Even I'm having iPad, I've the GUI they are having on the iPad is very much great compared to the Angel Broking. Okay, that's a discussion on the some other time, like we are losing our track. So yeah, here I'm closing from around 37 to 100 rupees. That's a jump we get from the HUL option price 2200. Okay, call option. Bye bye guys, and definitely we are looking for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share with your friends, and please let us know your feedback and comment. And if you do have one stock which need to be evaluated from fundamentally or from a technical point of view, we'll be looking forward for the same. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.